think long and hard about what you're good at. And if you have some of those talents, if you have the talent to care for others, if you have the talent to want to listen for others, to make special things happen, to put together great meals, to keep things really clean, you've got the right kind of talents and abilities that give you a leg up.
The Tourism and Hospitality Training Program is a Skills Advance Ontario pilot project. The program is a one-week intensive training course that will allow participants to look at and explore all kinds of wonderful themes that are based in tourism and hospitality.
The Smiths Falls tourism and hospitality industry has really grown substantially over the last few years. It's a fairly new industry for us, and we have a lot of new partners that have come to Smiths Falls. What that means is we don't have the workforce ready and trained and able to step into those positions. So we're really looking forward to this program and the skills that they'll bring our workforce.
This is designed, in my opinion, to be an employment outcome, which is going to connect, motivated, talented people with motivated, talented employers.